Thank you for your interest in the City of Lansing Fire Department. The full physical ability test is a timed event consisting of 9 evolutions or exercises, which represent typical fireground evolutions. The first evolution, which is a standalone evolution, is the aerial ladder climb. The aerial ladder climb must be completed within a 5-minute time period. Once you have successfully completed the aerial ladder climb, you will proceed to the remaining 8 evolutions, which must be completed within 11 minutes. Required to take a physical ability test, you will need shoes with an enclosed toe. Long or short sleeve shirts are acceptable. Long pants. Exercise or sport wear is acceptable. The Lansing Fire Department will provide standard work gloves. Helmet will also be provided by the Lansing Fire Department. Evolution 2, stair climb. During this event, the candidate will be required to wear a 50-pound vest. The candidate will have a 20-second warm-up on the step mill at a stepping rate of 42 steps per minute. The candidate is permitted to dismount, grasp a rail, or hold the wall to establish balance and a cadence. There is no break in the time between the warm-up period and the actual timing of the test. For the test, the candidate is required to walk on the step mill at a stepping rate of 57 steps per minute on level 6 for 3 minutes. This concludes the event. Evolution 3 and 4 are combined: hose drag, hose pull. During this event, the candidate grasps a nozzle attached to a 2.5-inch hose. The candidate places the hose line over the shoulder or across the chest. The candidate is not permitted to run during the hose drag. The candidate drags the hose 60 feet to a pre-positioned drum, makes a 90-degree turn around the drum, continues an additional 40 feet. The candidate then stops within the marked box, drops to at least one knee, and pulls the 100-foot hose line until the second marked coupling passes the finish line. During the hose pull, the candidate must keep at least one knee in contact with the ground, and the knee must remain within the marked boundary lines. This will conclude the event. Evolution 5, ladder carry, ladder raise. During this event, the candidate grasps and removes the 14-foot aluminum ladder, which weighs 47 pounds, from the compartment. The candidate will move the ladder to the designated position across the room and place at a proper angle against the wall. Proper angle is noted by placing the base of the ladder into the marked location on the floor. The candidate immediately proceeds to move the 14-foot aluminum ladder back into the compartment with the base of the ladder left out. No more than 2 rungs are left exposed. This concludes the event. Evolution 6, rescue drag. During this event, the candidate grabs a 170-pound mannequin by the orange rope handle on the shoulder of the harness, drags it 25 feet to a pre-positioned cone, makes a 180-degree turn around the cone, and continues an additional 25 feet to the finish line. The candidate is permitted to lower the mannequin to the ground to adjust their grip. The entire mannequin must be dragged past the marked finish line, and this will conclude the event. Evolution 7, equipment carry. During this event, the candidate will pick up a water can, dual chain saw and K-12 carry, 2.5-inch hose bundle, and an 1 3/4 hose roll. At the starting point, one at a time, carry each item 50 feet up and over 4 stairs, not missing a step, walking to the designated line, crossing the mark of the line with both feet. Then return to the starting point for a total of 100 feet per item. Once this is complete, that will conclude this event. Evolution 8, rescue tunnel. During this event, the candidate crawls on hands and knees through a darkened tunnel that is approximately 3 feet high, 4 feet wide, and 25 feet long. The candidate enters the tunnel, crawls 25 feet to the end, strikes the back of the wall of the tunnel with their fist 3 times, turns around and returns 25 feet, crawling to the starting point. If for any reason the candidate chooses to end the event, the candidate can call out to the ceiling to be removed, and the candidate is then assisted out. Upon exit from the tunnel, the event is concluded. Evolution 9, Kaiser Sled. During this event, the candidate uses a 9-pound sledgehammer to hit a striking block that weighs 160 pounds, forcing it to travel 60 inches. The candidate must straddle the striking block, placing the feet on the diamond plate while keeping a single foot to the right and to the left of the striking block at all times. During the event, the candidate must use a flat working surface of the sledgehammer to hit the striking block. After the striking block reaches the end, the candidate places the sledgehammer on the ground and steps off the beams. This will conclude the event. Thank you for your interest in the City of Lansing Fire Department. We look forward to seeing you at our physical ability test, and we wish you the best of luck.